Hello people, welcome back to another video. We are literally stood in my porch right now. The project car is just behind me. Got an awesome video for you today. We are fitting an EGR delete kit to the Audi and I'm going to be installing a boost gauge. That video will come at a later date, but yeah, we're going to be installing the EGR delete kit and the EGR cooler delete. It's mapped out on the car anyway, so the engine light won't come on, fingers crossed. But yeah, really enjoying this car. It's doing everything perfectly. 1500 miles done in it and I'm absolutely loving it. It's brilliant on fuel. It goes like the clappers. Yeah, it's had an 8V S3 the other day try and play chase, and it didn't end well for the S3, put it like that, in Mexico of course. But yeah, we'll head up Robbie's unit, and massive thank you to Robbie. Thank you to Charlie Edson, thank you for Steve the mechanic in last week's video for giving me a hand with the DPF and all that, and the dark side downpipe. So thank you everyone involved, and Summer the video recorder. Thank you Summer, thank you everyone involved. And we'll get the EGR delete kit out and we'll crack on basically. Yeah, boom. Hey guys. Screw it in. I'll try and get some more clips in of the EGR delete. Didn't really get too much film, massive thanks to Robbie. He got the camera out a little bit and filmed a bit. I just got straight in, got the gloves on and got dirty. You should have seen I was absolutely filthy yesterday. I've just barely cleaned my hand today, and see how we get on. But yeah, massive thanks to Robbie. I'll put in any clips he got and obviously crack on. But yeah, it's not too bad of a job. It's just a bit tedious, but once you've done them before, I've done it a couple of times before on other cars, so. But yeah, boom. Right, that is the EGR delete kit installed to the Audi. Very happy. It took a bit of a while, a bit of a pain in the arse. Massive thank you to Robbie for giving me a hand. You're an absolute legend. Got there in the end. Engine light didn't come on, which was brilliant. It is mapped out in the car. Massive thanks to Chris at Demon Developments. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's improved. The EGR was very carboned up. The throttle was carboned up, so it's improved it a little bit. It's driving lovely now. We had a little issue on the drive back from Robbie's. We popped a boost pipe, but just put it, unclipped it, popped it back in, clipped it back in, it's fine. The clip was in the wrong way around, so it's all good now. So fingers crossed that stays tight. Very happy with the car, enjoying it, loving it. That's the EGR delete done, so it's got a 3-inch downpipe and EGR delete now. Let me know what you want to see next. We're going to be in next week's video. We'll be installing the boost gauge and maybe a few little other bits. Won't spoil too much. But let me know what you want to see on this car. It's the project car for the channel, so what you want to see, you just have to let me know in the comments below. Or yeah, but you all know where to find me on Instagram at HarleyBrown10. So if you want to message me or give me a follow or anything, that'd be greatly appreciated. But yeah, anything you want to see on the car, just let us know. It's we'll get there slowly. It's a project car at the end of the day, so it's going to be one of them. It's never going to be perfect, but it's going to be enjoyable, and it'll be entertaining for you guys when you see it blow up on me. So no, it's a PD, it won't blow up. You can't really blow a PD up unless you're stupid or you go out of your way to try. I've started custom tuning in partnership with Chris at Demon Developments at the minute. I'm doing all cars up to 2010 at the minute, mainly like PD stuff, BMW stuff, like all the German stuff really, like diesel, turbo, stuff like that. And I tuned my mate, my good mate of mine, Brad, his BMW 330D the other day. It was a manual car, an E90 M57 engine, absolute brilliant engine. It had a monster spec on it, and we tuned it in partnership with Chris at Demon Development. Absolute legend. Thank you, Chris, for watching this. And I'll put a few clips in of the car. It absolutely flew, and we run it really safely. It was basically a base map just to get him on the road, run it nicely. It had a quite a bad map on it before, and it was running next to stock fuel and a bit over stock fuel in, and 2.1 bar boost, which is baby boost for the turbo it had on it. But I'll put some clips in and that. Thank you, Brad, for getting me to map the car and that. I really appreciate it. Right, don't go crazy. It's that bump. Yeah, it's fucking horrible, that cunt in there. Was that clutch? What do you think? Here you are, Chris.
Yeah, wicked. Done a good job there.
He's happy, mate. Jesus Christ. He's happy, mate.
Yeah, wicked.
Massive thank you to Brad for being a great sport and asking me to tune his car as well. End up, like I said, really good. And he was really happy with it. So yeah, massive thank you to Brad. Massive thank you to Charlie, the editor, as always. Absolutely smashing it, thank you. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart for watching. I really appreciate it. Yeah, really enjoying staying consistent with the uploads and that, and obviously they're only going to get better and better. So from me and the project car, we'll see you in the next one. Boom. Massive thank you all for watching the video. I really appreciate every single one of you. Nearly at 250 subscribers, so I'm really happy about that. Thank you all. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I know most of you that watch these videos aren't actually subscribed, so make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Turn post notifications on for all the videos to come every Sunday at 6 o'clock uploads. And it's only going to get better from here. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Boom!